Glad to see you stuck with us. All right, we're about to get our hands dirty in our Ask Lou segment, but first, here's a cool tool that can help you with all your dirty jobs. I'm sure Mike Rowe would approve.
For the hottest and coolest products out there, look no further than Cool Tools. Sick and tired of trying a million different cleaning products that don't work? eCloth changes that. Using just water, eCloth is designed to help you clean more thoroughly in a shorter amount of time. With no harmful chemicals, toxins, or allergic reactions, eCloth is different than most of the other cleaning products out there. Water is the main cleaning ingredient, and it's been proven that using only water on your eCloth, you can remove up to 99% of bacteria in your home. eCloth comes in many forms, some of them created for specific surfaces and spaces in your home, and they even make them for cell phones. Because it's reusable up to 300 washes and no paper towels are needed, it can save you money while also providing a healthier cleaning alternative for the environment, and it creates a cleaner environment in your home. For more information on eCloth, visit HouseSmartsTV.com.